Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make waffles for breakfast only way. Start by preheating your waffle iron and lightly greasing the plate so waffles release cleanly. Whisk dry ingredients, then mix eggs, milk, and melted butter, folding batter until combined but not overmixed. Let the batter rest while the iron heats to develop better texture. Cook until steam slows and waffles are golden, then serve warm with toppings you enjoy. For reliable batter, start with room temperature eggs and melted butter to blend smoothly and trap air. Combine dry ingredients separately so baking powder disperses evenly, then add liquids and stir until just combined with some small lumps remaining. Resting the batter for a few minutes hydrates the flour and gives a better crumb, so use that pause to preheat the iron properly and prep toppings for serving. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy breakfast ideas. Quick recommendation. After a busy morning or a long grocery run, grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling crisp and confident, like the perfect waffle aroma should be remembered. I've linked it in the description along with any deals, so check there for details, and now let's get back to the video. When cooking, spoon batter into the center of the hot iron and close immediately to spread evenly without overflow. Watch the steam and timing. Most irons yield golden waffles when steam subsides and the edges appear crisp. Transfer finished waffles to a wire rack in a warm oven to stay crisp while you finish the rest. Then top as desired and serve straight away for best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.